Morning, John. Morning, Chris. Morning, Blair. Well, lots got accomplished yesterday. We'll start with the worst and work towards the best. This trunk, it looked good until the sandblaster told the sad, tragic tale of woe. So Blair is basically here. Blair, flip it up. Is basically rebuilding half of this thing. Apparently 66s are impossible to find. So you can see Blair, the Metal Master Smith.
A little piece there.
He has done a little piece here. He's still going to rebuild all of this. He just
to stabilize it.
Stabilize centerpiece.
We got to do some shrinks here and hammer this flat.
Hammer this flat. This is the piece you welded in yesterday.
Yes.
He's got another piece here. So basically he's redone approximately half of it. And there's lots to go because apparently, unbeknownst to me, unobtainium. 1966 hardtop only. Yep. So unlike most Chevys where 4 doors fit, post trunks fit, this is a unit.
Only the 66 2-door hardtops have
this trunk.
That's it.
So they've tried to find another one. Last resort, Blair is going to fix it. Okay, that should.
This done is a bonus.
Yes.
We only planned on 4 days. We get the back end done, but actually we're going pretty good here. We got this door done. That was a pretty difficult.
That was a pain in the ass patch. We have this one done. We've got
this one
done. We've got the inners all done. Oh, I see a pinhole. There's a pinhole. I see a pin anyway.
And I haven't ground it.
It hasn't ground yet anyway.
And the wind and the sun were against me.
That's okay. Anyway.
And a rush.
Yeah, but it's looking good. There's no excuses, Blair. The camera tells all. It's looking amazing. It's been, this is day 4?
Yes.
Started day 4, guys. So, I mean, everything underneath, it's all welded up.
Done.
This is all in. It's all structurally sound.
Yes.
This is all welded up.
We got
to grind it.
I just got to finish the rocker and this gap. And Chris has already made panels.
Right.
For these spots, she was making them up yesterday. So we're actually hoping to get the welding done on this door.
Yes.
We might. Yeah, I mean, this went really well. It doesn't always go like this.
No.
But having 3 people work on it, man.
And the fact I wasn't one of them did not hurt.
Actually. The first day was so good.
Yeah.
That was when you weren't here.
That's right. Anyway, things are progressing.
Yes.
So tomorrow, this beautiful beast will be headed back on its way to the flatlands from whence it came. And I can get some of my cars in here.
Yeah.
See that?
I'm rebodying.
Oh, that's right.
Cummins Dodge next week.
Next week. So that'll be an interesting procedure. He started out so filled with hope and enthusiasm, and he's telling me he's going to do it in 25 hours.
Changing the cab on a Dodge Cummins.
Yes, from a standard to an automatic, and then back to an automatic. Anyway, we shall be timing and recording.
Well, I got to drive 1,100 kilometers next Thursday with it. So
I'm almost prepared to make a bet, but I'm not gonna. Anyway, things are coming along on the 66. I did make some space. Remember this place yesterday? I will continue to make space. And stunning, and they will continue to make repairs. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. 66 Impala, shop cleanup, and pretty soon we'll be back working on Rust Brothers junk.
All right, starting by making an inner trunk lip. So about there. Ooh, no, that might. Nope, that should be a little more. There we go. See how that works. Okay, I gotta bend this up a little more. So I can shorten it a little bit too. Actually, I should do a good job of that. Hey, Chris.
Yes.
Keeper of the felt.
Keeper of the felt does not have a felt.
Oh no! Wait! I don't know why. I'm amazed. I have one.
I just haven't put my
All right. Okay. Very roughly. So at the factory, this dips way in and they fill it with lead, and so does this. So I'm cutting up a piece and I'll trim it some more. It's gonna fill up that low spot, so it just needs to be ground a bit. Yeah, okay. I know that's ugly, but I'll hammer it. It'll be pretty.
Yeah, they sent me hard top door panels with my upholstery kit for the Chevelle.
No shit.
But we can always use, I can always put it in the hard top, the back.
We could build another car.
Yes.
We have extra
We have
door
door
panels.
panels.
Yeah,
Shut the
let's
fuck
start.
up.
Hey, you got extra fenders already.
I know.
There's a car.
Well,
Another
no,
bill.
That's what I was thinking. That's a quick one. No,
Stop giving him ideas.
Back on the planet Zetron, we're designing a new build.
we've already got it, but we've already walked through it, yes.
Yeah.
2 70 Chevelles, 1 convertible, 1 hard top. 6 weeks, do them both.
Okay, there we go.
No pressure.
Oh yeah, it was great fun.
Not like the last one.
But I must say, this is remarkable, the headway a fearless leader has made.
Yeah.
I mean, this is
Only
stunning.
taken 3 days.
I can approach the brake. I can see the drill. Oh, I gotta fix the drill press still.
What'd you do?
Well, because we couldn't get at any plug-ins, I had to run an extension cord, and it wrapped around the drill and snapped it in half. So I've got to do a
Operator error is what you're telling me.
splice. Trying to work to impossible conditions is what I think is the problem.
So we have no drill press?
No.
Oh my God.
Yes. That must be fixed. Okay, John, come and have a look here. So I can explain what's going on. Oh, we're here. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I finished welding down here. Perfect. I apparently didn't melt all the lead out when I did this, so this is not pretty. You may find you have to grind it and
Yep.
we have to heat it.
I figure we're gonna
heat
do
it
that
up.
anyway. And then,
But there's a bottom edge to where they're get the lead up. So I'm just gonna do this,
yeah.
and then let's say we have this licked, right? And then I'll go over, I wanna take this weld to do the trunk. I've been having a hell of a time with that. Big ones are meant for big jobs. And
Yeah.
they really fit
Yeah,
in.
no, this is gonna do.
Beats me right out and change gloves.
Yeah, I know. I didn't see the blue one, you know, because sometimes you're disorganized.
So that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Okay, so we'll do this. Oh, and yeah, I just need the little zip cut. You have that? So what have you been doing here?
So, a little bit of.
Oh, far out. You figured out how to do that. Nicely done.
Yeah, nice once I had it.
Okay.
Anyway, there's a little bit more massaging
This
in
is
there,
good.
but, there's that. That piece should fit in there once that's done, and then there's your piece, and I got another little
Oh,
piece
yeah.
fit in here.
Excellent.
So that should do the trick for us.
You bet. Well, I just have that few inches of welding to do, and we'll be on this. Far out. So yesterday I made a panel and put it in here. Well, it's kind of a tough little panel to make, and we're in a rush as always. But here it is. Now, I was using a big welder, which is fully capable of doing very light sheet metal, but I was having trouble dialing it in. Today I'm going to use a smaller welder. But this here is warped, stretched. It had rust in it. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to do some shrinks along here and tighten this up. And I can't believe I'm going to do this, but I'm going to show you on a whiteboard over here what the shrinks are all about. All right. A bit more to weld here. Chris is making a panel. Now, what's she up to? Okay, so this is the upper door panel. Yep. Oh yeah. And where do you stop? Who knows?
Let's see how it goes.
Exactly, right? Wait a minute.
Wrong way.
That is going to be hard to do, isn't it? Let me see.
Oh, it's this.
Oh, wait. If we turned it, what I'm looking at is, if you try to turn this up, you don't want a full width.
No.
And if you go this way, no. How the heck?
How do we do this?
Oh. Can we do this? What does that do? No. Wow. How did I do that other piece?
I think. Shit.
Isn't that something? Wait, we just did this. We bent it up,
This way.
right? And then we flipped it over.
Turn it over. And bend it up.
Yeah, so why don't we do that? Why is that?
That's what it was.
Aha! No.
Nope.
Oh. Maybe that was. Yeah. Because if we bend, yeah, just do, wait, no, oh my word. I gotta shut this off. Okay, now try. Yeah. Not too far. Whoop. Yeah. Okay. There we
What we're
have
looking
it.
for?
So now, vice versa. There you go. You bet. You
Perfect.
trace that out, rock and roll.
Awesome.
And that is going right here. We will do the inner. I'm taking a breather. What are you doing?
Just doing a little finessing here. Let's see what the
Nice.
missing
Oh, it's got to
part
come this way, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, no, you
Is
think
that
so.
or?
It's got to come out though, right? There you go. Wow, nice. And I keep hearing Chris grinding and hammering. And what are you doing?
I'm trying to make the back plate.
Oh, excellent. And you've got the outer built already?
Outer spelt, yep.
Far
Just,
out.
just read it.
Oh. And look at this. Top lead seam, done. Wow, man. It's like it's our last day and everyone's just rocking and rolling.
Trying to get done, right?
Oh yeah, okay.
That's not too bad.
Oh, very nice. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
just the finesse grinding here.
Okay, well, I'm trying to get my stuff done too.
That right.
That might be a too far. That piece there. Oh, that's cool.
And the inside piece.
There. Okay, so we'll go in first. Okay, have a look here. It's pretty good. No need yapping, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is welded.
Grind, but I mean.
Did you have to rebend anything, or is it all?
No, you had it all right. I did one more shrink up here because once you start clamping it on, like you can't tell where it's going to be.
Yeah.
So that's all I had to do. I didn't do anything else. All
Awesome.
this side I left as it was. It was a perfect fit,
Yay.
Chris. Yeah.
Thank you.
So yeah, that's welded on. I'm kinda thinking I'm done.
Alright.
No, that's all good.
What
Yeah.
time is it?
Alright, down here. 4:50.
Oh,
You know
Wow.
exactly what time it is at any given
I
time.
think so. That leaves, we didn't get it all done, but we got more
No,
done than we
that's-
planned on. So we got 2 patches, but you got the patches.
We got the patches. We can put those and put those.
You got these done. Through there.
No,
But
that's it.